Now see question number 9 of exercise 10.5. Two circles intersect at 2 points B and C. These two circles intersect at point B and C. Through B, two line segments ABD and PBQ are drawn to intersect the circles at AD and P and Q respectively. Prove that angle ACP, that means this angle, is equals to angle QCD, this angle. We have to prove these two angles are equal. Okay. Now see the proof. See, first of all, this AP is an arc. Okay. Now from this arc, angle ACP, this angle is formed, and angle ABP, this angle is also formed. So we can say that they are angles in the same segment of a circle. So angle ACP is equals to angle ABP. Reason will be angles in the same segment of the circle. Name this as equation number 1. Now see, this is also an arc QD. Okay. Now from this arc, angle QCD is formed, this, and angle QBD is also formed. That means these two will also be equal. So we can say that angle QCD is equals to angle QBD. Name this as equation number 2. Reason will be angles in the same segment of a circle. Okay. Now these two angles are also equal because these are vertically opposite angles. So we can write angle ABP is equals to angle QBD. Name this as equation number 3. Reason will be vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now see, write this angle ACP. Angle ACP is equals to ABP. Okay. And in equation number 3, ABP is equals to QBD. See, I will tell you, angle ACP is equals to angle ABP. Okay. And this ABP is equals to QBD is equals to QBD. Okay. And from equation number 2, this QBD is equals to QCD. So this is equals to angle QCD. That means these all four are equal to one another. So we can say that angle ACP is equals to angle QCD. Okay. So from equation 1, 2 and 3 we can directly write angle ACP is equals to angle QCD. And at last you can write hence proved. Now see the 10th question. If circles are drawn taking two sides of a triangle as diameter, prove that the point of interaction of these circles lie on the third side. This is intersection. Okay. Point of intersection of these circles lie on the third side. Okay. Now this is a triangle. This AB is the diameter of this circle and this AC is the diameter of this circle. Okay. You have to write this in given. Okay. Then what construction we did? We have joined AD, BD and CD. Okay. Now let's see the proof. Angle ADB is equals to 90 degree angle in a semicircle. Angle ADB, this angle is equals to 90 degree. See, this is a diameter, that means this is a semicircle. So angle in a semicircle is right angle. So we can say angle ADB is equals to 90 degree. Reason, angle in a semicircle. Name this as equation number 1. Now this is also a diameter. Okay. So this is also a semicircle. Then this angle will also be equal to 90 degree. So angle ADC is equals to 90 degree. Name this as equation number 2. Reason will be angle in a semicircle. Okay. Now what we will do, we will add both the equations. Adding equation 1 and 2. Angle ADB plus angle ADC is equals to 90 plus 90. So angle ADB plus angle ADC is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Now, if this angle and this angle is equals to 180 degree, that means this is a straight line. Okay. So we can say that BDC is a straight line because linear pair is formed between these two. Okay. Now, if this is a straight line, then we can say that point D lies on the third side BC of triangle ABC. Okay, this is only what we have to prove. So, at last you can write hence proved. Okay. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel and stay connected with A1 study classes.